Did you know that in Spanish we have two different ways to say the word and? ¿Sabías que en español podemos utilizar la palabra y la palabra para decir and? If you want to find out, let's get started. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Spanish Like a Native. Mi nombre es Álvaro y soy tu profesor de español. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the word and in Spanish. La palabra y la palabra Some people say la y or y. In this case, I'm going to be referring to this word as la y, not y, just y. Okay, so as you may have known, la letra y is a conjunction word, and it has the same meaning as the word and in English. And the pronunciation of this word is just y. And it's called la y or y again. And we can say sentences like María y Juan están saliendo. María y Juan están saliendo. Another example can be yo tengo perros y gatos. Yo tengo perros y gatos. Now let's change the sentence a little bit and I'm going to use the word y. And you are going to see. Yo tengo perros iguanas. Yo tengo perros iguanas. I cannot say yo tengo perros y iguanas. So what do you think about that? There is a rule and I'm going to be talking about it right now. When we need to use the word y in Spanish, but the next word starts with the same sound, with the same vowel sound, y, we cannot use the word y. We have to change it into y. Tenemos que utilizar la letra y solo si es que la siguiente palabra no empieza con un sonido de vocal y. For example, the word iguana starts with y, iguana. And in Spanish, there is something called cacofonía. It's when some words, when they are mixed, they doesn't sound good. And this is the case. So we cannot say, yo tengo perros y iguanas, because it's the same sound and it doesn't sound good. That's cacofonía. Iguana. And that's wrong. We have to use the letter y, la letra e. And it would be, again, yo tengo perros iguanas. And the word that goes after the conjunction y doesn't have to start with I. What I mean by that is that in Spanish, the letter H is silent. And we have some words, for example, hipótesis, hipopótamo, hipotenusa. All these words start with H, but the next word is a vowel, and in this case is the I, and it has the same sound, hipotenusa. Hipótesis, hipopótamo. And it doesn't matter, as long as the next word starts with E sound, we have to change the Y by E. That's the rule. And again, with the same example, if I say, yo tengo perros iguanas, and I decide to change the order of these words, it would be something like, yo tengo iguanas y perros. In this case, the word perros doesn't start with this E sound, so I don't have to use I have to use I. Yo tengo perros iguanas. Yo tengo iguanas y perros. I hope it's clear. Here we have another example. Ella es bonita inteligente. Ella es bonita inteligente. The word inteligente starts with inteligente. Inteligente. So we cannot use I. Inteligente? No. We have to use inteligente. But if we change the order of these words, it would be ella es inteligente y bonita. Ella es inteligente y bonita. So I hope it's clear again. And of course, we're going to be practicing a little bit, so it's going to be crystal clear for you. And the instruction is very easy. Complete the gaps with Y or E, depending on the context. Okay, so number 1. Eres muy amable, inteligente. Eres muy amable, inteligente. What do you think about this? The word inteligente starts with inteligente, so we have to change into E. Eres muy amable e inteligente. Eres muy amable e inteligente. Remember, the word starts with I, con la I. Number 2. He estudiado historia, literatura. He estudiado historia, literatura. The word literatura doesn't start with E, with the E sound, so we don't have to change that into E, it's just Y. He estudiado historia y literatura. The word E, in this case, is correct. Number 3. A él le gusta estudiar, trabajar. A él le gusta estudiar, trabajar. What do you think? The word trabajar doesn't start again with this E sound, so we have to use Y. E. A él le gusta estudiar y trabajar. Number 4. Padre, hijo son idénticos. Padre, hijo son idénticos. Okay, in this word, hijo, I know that it starts with H, but it doesn't matter. The H is silent and we have to use E. Padre e hijo. Because hijo, hijo. Forget about the H, it's silence, and we have to use E. Of course, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section down below. Y bueno muchachos, eso ha sido todo por el video de hoy. Espero que te haya gustado y si te gustó, por favor suscríbete a mi canal y dale like. No te olvides que subo un nuevo video todos los martes y los viernes. So, see you later. Peace.